On September 12th, OpenAI announced the release of its OpenAI O1 model and its preview that will be released to the public for testing. And this model has shaken the grounds of AI by its said capability to think.
Thinking. It's taking a little longer than usual. Maybe it was a tough question. Oh, here it comes now.
Many AI enthusiasts have conducted tests on this model, and today we are going to explore some of the amazing things this model can do. An article published by OpenAI on the 12th of September, which was the same day, shows that O1 ranks in the 89th percentile on competitive programming questions, places among the top 500 students in the US in a qualifier for the USA Math Olympiad, and exceeds human PhD level accuracy on a benchmark of physics, biology, and chemistry problems. It performs 9 times better than GPT-4o model in math and coding competitions, and also performs slightly better than human experts in PhD level science questions. But does this model really think? We know very well since middle school that computers do not think, they actually only reason. So how does this OpenAI model O1 be able to think? So this model uses instead what is called a chain of thought. Unlike other GPTs which examine user prompts and decide what is most likely to be the appropriate response, O1 thinks through the problem and goes about solving it step by step. This ensures that it follows all the steps that are provided to it in case of a user-generated prompt that guides it on how to solve the problem step by step. And also it enables this model to be able to review its response before giving out an output, and can also correct its own mistakes. The model has proven to perform well in cognition, quantum physics, genetics, economics, and other fields as well. Now let us look at how this model actually performs in the coding space. Programming itself has evolved rapidly over the years, from punch cards to being able to write, to copilot bots, to chatbots that spit out code, and now to a model that is said to be able to think.
This new model O1 is really able to process and make decisions in a more human-like way.
The sole role of programming has always been to take your ideas and turn them into reality. And now, with the existence of AI, it can be done easier and faster than never before. A simple example would be a quick implementation of the snake game that we all used to play when we were young. And this can be easily done in HTML as shown. By simply entering a prompt, we can get fully functional code that we can run right away. And if you wanted to make it more exciting or even harder to play, we just have to use some follow-up prompts. Mario Crane, who is a research expert in quantum physics at OpenAI, tested this model with a question that other models would rather perform poorly at, but the O1 model was able to get it right.
Quantum operator, which I know previous models like GPT-4 would very likely fail in this task. But here, in contrast to answers from GPT-4, this one gives me very detailed mathematics. This is correct. That makes sense. Here I think it tries to do something incredibly difficult.
So another question would be, is O1 model really a good economist?
I want to see how good an economist is it. So I thought of questions that you might find on, say, PhD level exams. It's kind of complex, right? You're not like, oh, I know that one. Finally, there's a conclusion. It's pretty good.
As tested by Cohen, with high-level economist questions, we can see that the O1 model is really intelligent. If you found this video insightful, leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, click that subscribe button. See you in the next one.